Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
SmartArt allows you to communicate information with graphics instead of just using text. So let me show how to insert a SmartArt graphic. Now place the insertion point in the document where you want to insert the SmartArt graphic. Then under Insert tab, select the SmartArt command. Then choose the category from the left, make a selection on the right, then click OK. And it will be added to your document. Now to add text to a SmartArt graphic, select the SmartArt graphic, then the text pane should appear on the left side. Then enter text next to each bullet. So I can start entering text from here, and here. Just enter any text. And then that's how you add text to a SmartArt graphic. Now you can add a new shape. So just place the insertion point after the desired bullet. So like I'm in the last shape, then click enter and a new shape will be added. If I click enter again, a new shape will be added. And to remove a shape, keep pressing the backspace until the bullet is deleted. So if I click on the backspace, I'll remove a shape. Backspace again, and that shape is removed. Let's look at organizing SmartArt from the Design tab. Now, once you've inserted a SmartArt, it will come with the Design tab and the Format tab. Now, under Design tab, you can promote and demote a shape. That is, use the commands to move a shape up or down between levels. So, like join here, if I click on demote, I've moved it down a level. If I click on promote, I've moved it up level. I can also use the move up and down commands to change the order of shapes on the same level. So if I click on move up, as you can see, John moves from the third position to the first position, and if I click on move down again, it will go back to its original place. And you can also add shape. So here is the command add shape. This command, if you click on it, the drop down arrow, you can choose whether to add a shape after or before shape. So if I click on before, a new shape will be added before that shape, before John, the shape with the text John. And if I select that shape again, this one, then click on add shape after, a new shape will be added after that shape, that selected shape. So let's look at customizing SmartArt. After inserting SmartArt, there are several things you might want to change about its appearance. So let's look at how to edit the style and layout of a SmartArt graphic. So you can select the SmartArt graphic, then choose your desired style from the SmartArt styles group. So from here, you can choose whichever style you want to work with. So I'll select this one, and then it will be applied. Now you also have a variety of color schemes to use with SmartArt. To change colors, just click the change colors command, then choose whichever one you want to work with. As you can see the previews, so I'll choose the colorful one and leave it like that. And you can also customize each shape independently. So just select any shape in the graphic. So I'll select the first shape, then under Format tab, come here under Shape Effects, and then choose whichever effects you want to apply on that text. So let's choose that. As you can see, I've only applied that effect to that shape. So I'll select it again under Format tab, Shape Effects. Let's look at reflection. Shadow. So if I select that, as you can see, it's been only applied to that shape only. Now you can also change the SmartArt layout. So if you don't like the way your information is organized within a SmartArt, you can always change its layout to better fit your content. So from the Design tab, click the more drop down arrow in the Layout group. So from the Design tab, Layout group, more drop down arrow, then select whichever layout you want. So go with this one. This one looks funny. You can choose whichever one you want to. So I'll select that one, and as you can see, it's changed the layout. So the selected layout will appear, and if the new layout is too different from the original, some of your text may not appear. So before deciding on a new layout, check carefully to make sure no important information will be lost. But for me, it maintained the info, and that's okay.